Welcome to my vlog! Miss na ubi ang mata, miss na ubi.
Parang old town tong lugar nito.
Welcome to my vlog!
Ha?
Dito ang Bergarte.
Oh. Ayan o. Island Babes. Yan ang ginaganap dito ngayon. Island Babes. May nagbabalo.
Ano yung manipis yun, ano?
Oo, manipis. Pero malamig sa katawan.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ayan po, nagagala tayo dito ngayon sa gaganapin festival. Island Babes. Island Vibes pala. Madami yung vendor dito. Ayan oh. Nakikita yung mga vendor. Oh, ayan oh. Hanggang wala pang masyadong music. Kasi mamaya yan, may music na dito. Mag-umpisa no, mga 1 o'clock ko, mag-umpisa na. Ay, iba niya, nagpe-prepare pa lang ako mag-set up.
May lumpia rin po.
May lumpia rin dito, pansit.
Lumpia, pansit. Wala lang barbecue.
Sinana yan eh. What's up? Ay! Nice hat.
Yeah, it might fit you now that you don't have any hair. Hey, did the girl get any coffee?
Yeah, can I have some coffee, please?
Did the girl get any coffee?
I don't.
She knew you.
They have their own coffee on that. Whoa! Thank you, my friend. Yeah.
You know, she would charge you.
You're the boss.
No way.
No way. Malita na. Okay.
Go on. Good luck today, boss.
You too.
We need it.
Yeah.
Like you guys. We're a big family.
Gonna get that 10,000 today?
10,000? Oh, yeah. I told him. He said 20,000.
20,000? Really?
Maybe.
You guys do that every week, right?
No, not every week. Every week. Once a year only.
It's a nice payday.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, once a year when I get my tax check back.
Oo, syempre. Oh, yan.
doon, may bantay na kulog doon.
Sabi ko kay Kuya, nasa si Kuya.
Covid boy.
How are you?
Hi, how about you? What are you
Very
doing?
good.
What are you drinking?
Coffee.
Oh, who made it?
Huh?
Who made it?
Neighbor.
You can come over.
Okay. Next time.
Okay.
Yan, ube.
Sabi sa amin, 7:30.
Ube, ube.
Dapat pagpunta namin dito, ang dami kotse dito. Sabi ko, tingnan ka. Madali pa tayo.
Wow!
I'll just come by like every half hour, you know, take a little nibble.
There's a bridge. That's the Fort Ribs. Fort Ribs.
Yeah.
Laki ng iwan nila, oh. Mamaya dito may music na, hindi na ako makapag-video. Toko barbecue. Toko barbecue. Laki, oh. Ang laki, oh.
So, brother, how you doing today?
Oh, good. I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
Maraming vendor dito, maraming food vendor. Mga iba nito, ngayon ko lang nakita. Ayan na yung downtown, no? Filipino food.
Thank you for watching.
Ayan na.